Personal versus commercial alcohol import. Key differences. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage series. Today, we will be exploring the topic of importing alcohol for personal use versus commercial purposes. Let's dive right in. When it comes to importing alcohol, whether it's for personal use or commercial purposes, there are specific regulations and requirements that need to be followed. Understanding these rules is crucial in order to avoid potential penalties and delays. One important aspect of importing alcohol is the customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures all duties, taxes, and other fees associated with the importation of goods, including alcohol, will be paid to the government. It acts as a form of insurance for customs authorities in case there are any violations or non-compliance issues. For commercial importers, a customs bond is mandatory. This bond serves as a commitment from the importer to adhere to all customs regulations and fulfill their financial obligations. It is typically obtained through a surety company, which acts as a guarantor for the importer. On the other hand, if you're importing alcohol for personal use, the requirements may vary depending on the country you're entering. Some countries allow a certain amount of alcohol to be brought in without the need for a customs bond. However, it's important to check the specific rules and limitations of each country beforehand. Another important aspect of importing alcohol, regardless of the purpose, is the importer security filing, or ISF. This filing is required for all shipments entering the United States by sea and must be submitted to U.S. Customs and Border Protection at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto a vessel. The ISF contains information about the shipper, the consignee, and the contents of the shipment, including details about the alcohol being imported. It helps customs authorities assess the potential risks associated with the cargo and ensure compliance with customs regulations. When importing alcohol, it's important to note that there may be additional requirements and restrictions depending on the type of alcohol and its alcohol content. Some countries have specific regulations for wine, beer, spirits, or other alcoholic beverages. It's crucial to research and familiarize yourself with these regulations to avoid any complications. Whether you're importing alcohol for personal use or commercial purposes, understanding the customs brokerage process is essential. Obtaining a customs bond, ensuring compliance with the importer security filing, and researching specific regulations are key steps to successfully importing alcohol. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the topic of importing alcohol for personal use versus commercial purposes. We hope you found this information valuable. Disclaimer note below. See you.